Attorney Gregory Moore was taken into custody in Texas on May 2nd for the murder of his client Aliza Sherman, a crime that he'll be tried for in Ohio. Legally speaking, since he was arrested in another state, authorities have to get him back home before the criminal case against him can move forward, and that process is called extradition. In the extradition clause, the United States Constitution requires that states return individuals accused of crimes to the state where the crime was committed, but it doesn't explain how to go about doing it. A few states have made up their own extradition laws, but both Ohio and Texas have adopted the Uniform Criminal Extradition Act. So, if an accused doesn't immediately accept extradition, that's what controls how the process plays out. If that were to happen, because the murder Moore is accused of happened in Cuyahoga County, the Cuyahoga County prosecutor would have to write up the allegations and send them to Ohio Governor Mike DeWine to sign. DeWine's office would then send the request for extradition to Texas Governor Greg Abbott. Governor Abbott would review the allegations, and if he agreed that Moore is a fugitive from justice, he'd issue a governor's warrant to send Moore back to Ohio. This would trigger a formal extradition hearing where a Texas judge would review everything and determine if Moore should in fact be sent home to Ohio to answer for the crimes he's accused of. Now, Moore actually waived his right to all of this formality and simply consented to being extradited home to Ohio to face the charges he's been indicted on. Because of that, Ohio now has 30 days to bring him back here, where he'll eventually be arraigned at the Cuyahoga County Justice Center. This is Stephanie Haney, legally speaking, for 3 News.